Hi guys, and a very good back, and hope you all are good and fine in this pandemic. And meeting you all, it's been a great pleasure. Been a long time. There is a no video, so getting back to this with a great video that you might would have seen various games, right? From multiplayers to Impulse and many more. But the thing which media has been highlighting the most popular games that it is used to be the Call of Duty, Warzone, and PUBG. So what the today's content is gonna be, the most interactive and the which is most highly responsive games which are not being shown by our most, it has not been highlighted in many such videos. So what I'm gonna do is, and the today's content is the exclusive multiplayer games which has not been highlighted in many other videos. So let's get into that. So guys, initially let's we roam around the internet and we search for some multiplayer games so that we can get an idea which are the games which has been mostly implied by every websites. From that we can get a clear scope, and we can define what are the things we want to explore, and what are the games which we can get in this, and finally we will proceed the games which are all found out by info4u, and these are the sources which as we get from internet, and so we can compare, right, the what are the websites we are offering, so what are that we can do somewhat different. So from that games, first we will get into the internet and we will roam for from websites to websites to websites, and we can get this what are the best multiplayer games which are available. So from there, after taking a new break and getting into the fact, it's not about a fact, what are the things which info4u can get to you, and the top 5 multiplayer games which we collected we will present to you. So from there you can get a clear scope and a clear vision regarding which games are being good. I'm not saying that the online games are being bored, because what are the game which we know are the one and only PUBG from the past year, and this year ultimately the Warzone from Call of Duty. So these are the two games which has been widely played all around the world. For just for a pace of change, what we gonna do is, apart from these highly hyped packages, so get on to the downstream, and we will search for some new games, because it's been boring of playing these 2 or 3 games for a continuous years. So let's we do this, and we can see what are the games which we get from online, and what are the things which we can present for you. So let's dive deep. So let me introduce these games in just a gist. So the first game which is gonna be the Adventure Quest 3D, which this game is an where you can have a lot of quests and the classes and raids and bosses which has been mentioned in the internet. So interestingly, this is gonna be the most impactful game which has been represented in this video. And the second one is Teamfight Tactics, which is using a group of champions that you will outwave and your components in the battlefield. So these are the games which has been highly impactful in the internet. So which I just picked 1 or 2 from the online, which seems more grateful to present to you. And the third one is Unkilled. This game offers 150 missions, wow, with the weapons to collect and upgrade, and the bosses which is used to be defeat and the more. Yeah, it's what been similar when it comes to it, like PUBG and Free Fire, right? So the fourth one comes here is the Supercell, which this game is developed by the you may have known that, like Clash of Clans. So the Supercell is among to be the most popular multiplayer games in the recent times and the recent history. Now it's been so history, right? So because it's been not been trending at this much times, right? So most probably what are the things which has been highlighted in the internet was, so the first comes is the first one comes here is Call of Duty Warzone, which supports in PS4, Xbox, and One on PC. So and the second one comes here is the flash-selling Fortnite. So it comes under the platforms like PS4, Xbox, and the Switch and PC. And the third comes here, which is being listed in my list, is the Super Smash Bros. Yeah, which these are the things which I come through the internet, and this comes to be more surprising. So I haven't played this game, but it seems more crucial when it comes to internet, because every search engine shows this this Super Smash is being more underrated. Let me check. And the fourth comes here is the Rocket League, and the fifth one is Teamfight Tactics. Yeah, gotcha. This game was also in my list, and this also supports the platforms like PC and mobile. Let me give just a gist, right? A League of Legends that has been teamed an auto battler which is being accessible, deep, and addicting and free. So such league are the legends, which has been great on its own, but only if you are prepared and spend a lot of hours. It seems to be like a more hour spending thing, which I think so. And which comes is the FIFA 20. The platforms which is available are PS4, Xbox, and one Switch and PC. Especially the FIFA 20 has a wealth of multiplayer options. So various friendly options and cooperations are readily to guide, which will be an ultimate note for you. So guys, if you have seen the video till the end, you might have somewhat get a new idea that these games are also being available in internet, but it's not been screamed by any other websites. So these are the things which we tried to show you, and which we worked on it. And the final thing, the upcoming next video is gonna be how you can use your Snapchat filters in Google Meet, because nowadays in our camera, I gone through a meme that the app of the application which has been provided by the company is being not used in higher rates when compared to the Snapchat's application. This is not just a joke, but in many other memes is being publishing, like replacing our camera application with Snapchat. So what with this hike, what we have thought is, what if we had collabed with our PC Snapchat and our Google Meet. So many of us would meet this and make fun with these video calls. So it will be great, we think so. And the next video is gonna be how your Snapchat filters can be combined with your PC, and this would be a great thing that we expect, because many of your dudes would use this and make fun a lot. So stay tuned and do subscribe to our channel, because this gives us more energy and more potential to drive in through. And thanking you all, and stay tuned, it will be set on YouTube soon. Thank you.